Hello everyone. In this video session we will discuss the characters of the play Mrichkatika or The Little Clay Cart by Shudraka. Unlike other classical plays written in Sanskrit, the play Mrichkatikam does not borrow its characters from any mythology or from any epic sources. The characters of Mrichkatikam are drawn from the mundane world, the real society. The play is crowded with gamblers, courtesans, thieves, and so on. In a way, the characters of Mrichkatikam are the living men and women. The characters in this play include every class of individuals in the society, from Brahmin to executioners, even to the housemaids and slaves. There are three major characters in the play: Charudat, Vasant Sena, and Samsthanak. Let us first talk about Charudat. Charudat is the protagonist of the play Mrichkatikam. Charudat is a wise and honorable young Brahmin who becomes impoverished because he has spent his fortune, his entire money, for the welfare of others. Charudat is in love, and his love is responded by Vasant Sena, and Charudat is falsely accused of the murder of Vasant Sena in this play, and later on he is condemned to die. The development of the plot takes in such a way that as he is being prepared for execution after his punishment for the murder of Vasant Sena, Vasant Sena appears just in time to identify the true murderer and saves her lover's life, Charudat's life. In the later part of or in the end of the play, Charudat's fortune is restored and he is made an official at court by the new king. Now let's talk about the female important character, Vasant Sena. Vasant Sena is a wealthy courtesan who is beautiful and very rich. Vasant Sena is in love with Charudat. When she goes to in important part of this play, when she goes to the park to meet her lover Charudat, she is set upon by Samsthanak, who chokes her and leaves her for dead. Later on, she is rescued by a Buddhist monk. While Charudat is being falsely accused and tried for her murder, she is being nursed back to health, means she becomes a normal and healthy. She comes to life, means earlier she was reported to be dead, now she is alive. She appears at the place of execution of Charudat and she saves her lover's life. Samsthanak, the third important character. Samsthanak is King Palak's brother-in-law. He is enamored of Vasant Sena, means he wants to possess Vasant Sena as his beloved, and at the same time he is madly jealous of Vasant Sena's attention to Charudat. When he fails to win Vasant Sena as his beloved, he kills her, he chokes her, and he leaves Vasant Sena for dead, and he accuses his rival Charudat as his murderer. There are, other than these three characters, there are some other characters in the play. Let's first of all talk about Raika. Raika is the true ruler, means the original ruler of the state in which the play is set. He is a prince and who is held as captive, who is later on freed. He is made free through the efforts of Charudat and another character, Sarvilaka. Raika later on deposes King Palak. He removes King Palaka from his place and becomes the king of Ujjaini. He restores to Charudat his fortune and the rightful place of Charudat, and he makes him and gives him an important position in his court. Sarvilaka. Sarvilaka is a thieving Brahmin who is also Prince or King Raika's friend and who also becomes his liberator. Means he plays an important role to free Raika from the captive. His role is very important in the play because he steals the jewels left by Vasant Sena in Charudat's home, in Charudat's care. And his only purpose is to purchase a bride, but this act of stealing of jewels from Charudat's home makes an important development in the play. Another character is Palaka or Palak or Plaka, is the king who is the false king and is later on removed from the throne. Another character is Madanik or Madanika. Madanika is Vasant Sena's slave, whom Sarvilaka purchases as a bride. He gives the same jewels to Vasant Sena. Originally the jewels belong to Vasant Sena, and he gives those stolen jewels of Vasant Sena to Vasant Sena again, just to buy a bride. Maitreya is a close friend of Charudat and who is also another impoverished Brahmin. He plays an important role in this play. There are a few more characters who have less important roles in the development of the plot of the play. One is Rohsena. Rohsena is Charudat's son. Charudat, the father of Rohsena, gives his son Rohsena a cart which is made of clay, which Vasant Sena replaces with one made of gold. And the last character is the wife of Charudat, and whose name is not mentioned in the play. So this is all about the characters of Mrichkatikam or the clay cart by Sudraka. Thank you.